Mwanju muligereri chinsa ninya chia bono marogoba litukeliga lya chumaina itariki isana isato chomotienyo kane mwaka bwechirube na merongo ebere ne tano chingaki amange agente gokoreka chinsemo ao kwa muno ebunge gose abatene bebunge ya Nyamira banyakwa bagwikirana obosio bwa senate litukolia lero kwerendia maboli ao kubatakana muno bututuka ngo babere bakanekiwa ase ebunge ye county yuasege kabono ncheri nguru ko Aaron Ototo Nyangiri kuranza mimenyerio ni gotoko bwatranara Wilson Makoli na ikiunga chinsanya ni gotoko cha kalimulio gakorwa ase ebunge ye senate ese aba speaker babere gosabanogere babere bebunge ye county ya Nyamira uyole Enoch Okero na boigo Stadius Nyabaro banyaka bagukirana bosi bwa senate kwenania maboli ao igoro yoboteneli amo noborai nobokoreri bwebunge yo chingakibo igo ABC yomo control budget somoteneli bwe budget yanyarakaba gegwikirana oro na kwenania maboli ao iga ne gatiye chingwana chia speaker babere bosio bwa senate litukolia lero.
When I was
the mess in place?
Yes. The mess was in place.
Did you invite a member of the panel?
I did not delegate. Any member who acts on the chair of the speaker, either it's the deputy speaker or a member of the panelist, must get a delegation letter from the speaker. So I never delegated.
You did invite the member to come to your chair?
I did not. As you saw, Honorable Senator, I was just kicked out, so I didn't have that opportunity.
So if you were kicked out, let the members be on their side. Where were your sergeant at arms? Did they take the mess out, or the mess didn't leave the chamber?
They never did that because as later you can be able to see, because we don't want to go to characters, it was a planned thing. So there are some members who were in charge of the whole planning, who are part of the sergeant at arms.
So what you are saying is that the sergeant at arms actually did not
perform their duties as expected.
They did not pick the mess themselves?
Very true.
So you exited without a mess?
Exactly.
Somebody else jumped onto that seat without the invitation?
Very true.
Thank you for that clarification.
There are a number of court orders believed to be restraining the county assembly of Nyamira from undertaking its constitutional statutory legislative duties, thus affecting several operations. In petition number 008 of 2024, the judge ignored a preliminary objection on jurisdiction and proceeded over grant orders in the matter that later she found the court had no jurisdiction. Annexed 33 of the orange file. Honorable Chair, in a judiciary review, E007 of 2024, the judge vacated orders that were granted staying the Gazette notices issued for the impeached Speaker Enoch Ogori Okero. The said Gazette notices had earlier been stayed by another judge on account of being issued by an impeached speaker.
Na mwanjo muligereri ugoikirana kwe ABC yomo control budget bosio bwa senate neganga ye senate yarenge kugania kumanya buna na ABC ki gose mo speaker ki gose munga ki ekonyara kabage ko tenera obotume kibwechi besa imeye county yo ya Nyamira kolengana ne ABC yomo control budget nigabata buna barumba libokora miremo na mo speaker osmono gali bwe bunge onde bwenzi arabo nigaba ko miremo amo no muwasiri bwechi besa Korwa ase county.
You have annexed that at page 20?
Yes, but...
So the question I'm asking is, in your due diligence, how do you certify yourself that you are dealing with the right holder of that office? Do you get communication from the clerk? Or do you get communication from the speaker? In case of a dispute in that office, how do you know who is the legitimate office holder? Because that's the issue, that's the problem we are trying to solve. That's why I'm asking you that question.
I actually don't deal with speakers. Let me put it plainly that way. Financial matters rarely go to the speaker. Now, when it comes to issues of passing the budget, I am not part of the passing of the budget. But once the budget has been passed, it will be forwarded to me because I will oversee the implementation. Really, my mandate starts from implementation. I am not part of the budget making process. So, in this particular instance, as you have seen, if I'm in any doubt about the Speaker who is in office, I will normally ask the head of the Treasury. But since I do not deal directly with the Speaker, I expect that if there are any changes, it is the County Treasury that will alert me on the same.
Na umwanchumo ligeraliberera lyokwemurungania nigo lyanekwa ase egati y'abamenyi banyabigena ewodi ya Bogetenga imeye bunge ya South Mugirango county ya Kisii magiga yeribwago ase bakoiya ligena liegware gotichwa na contractor oyomo gusomanya kondo yomo korengana barabu abono bakwenyorera engeri yabo kera lituko nigo babolje boteneri bwa serikali ya county nabo igo serikali ene kwenekibna kubaruburira bale litibelio linde bagende koiya egware yo na kweligeria engeri yabo ya kera lituko mnago tumanye mulikito Dipon Asanya.
Eken nekerero ky'abamenyi b'egwodi ya Bogetenga gutuka emeye bunge ya South Mugirango hasokonyora obokoreri mamincha nechira chiri babete bakulierwa
na konsana turaise gotebanga andaka bande waitu twacha bani mambi yabo no tukagirete nga eire twalire tuyekiragita kia nyago tubura libwagirire nyako nyamagena trosiji sanamu tosomeria bana baitu lakini kiragite gigiacheta igagigatuba
nonyana boni gobono baichanirete egekoreke kubwatekano no bakorusia engere yabo ya kera lituko
noche muna toende tokorega sie nkonguga munorochega ebiragite bibia chaga kera bachitega no na lenga muinogali bagatotebi bataite gutokororere kere kwende mabwaga yaiga no tukuragira kuru
amagena yatariga okago akokonya abantu banyaramba tabaka ward akonya abantu bakari Nairobi ebinde byagenda paka ngumbu imechando tuwarega is understanding teyo no gabana tamayitinge gentengere kya muhimu
gukona nabamenyia bwe nigo bono batebanga ebikora byobusalia nigo birachi kogenderera komenteka
engeri yiga nereko genyono soru bwakanu nonye no mugabana ino agwakanu itachi twakana bono nyogo totige gesunte kengabuneke iga
korusinari endagera baminta serikali yaito soro na Simba ngaibono bagenda gakimokonya banyina motageto biba kuchogirango enaka getenga serikali ngotorosaliane ngebinte bitakorasye bisonge etorosali gorire binto bicha igoro nande gomoko toitatole moyo
asomoke boko moikero mu MCA borgongorwe nigesokya na kwigirira engane yiga
njasa mageta omusimi wa Samuel Mauti yo Bogetenga ward kutoka South Mugirango no egembata kete como porusie masini banyirani that was on Sunday lakini nene tukaigwana paka twakwane na contract nyana tukaigwana na etweigwana na kipoint bare koigura mabwabo setro 3 points ekibaigwana nete kubarikana no etwakorete baje gukora Monday igokuru Saturday paka Monday igobimba bato amutuka atatu ntu isa degete auto ngwakera kabana ngambu ya mino ya mono ya mono aindeka ekyagera kerana bwatete ki story abata baganiri ekerata inga emyake mengi lakini finally yaje gatoka
Chinga kecho ni gaboria bali bachakire siasa kwa mwari baga irekerania magenderero
asango chere ntwa bari tike siasa bono iga na magendero noyo kwa na siasa bono tinga itingo nyago korera onyo sabu abantu in any capacity we are not serving an individual eto sabu abantu in a group not one person mumroyo nyero otagitenga no muntu ya mago agusabu tigarore na yawe gusabu y'umuntu yoyo
boigo ni galieira yogo chigoikerania mirimo yaye atabwati bwanchereri bonde
tigaire ange twanda years yani obora igwane interite nsa wa bantu interiko favor anybody and then again tuntatariti no bodimo bosenga tumie oborimo kogeini oborimo mbo kogenda mwishowe wananchi watakiwa ukweli ni gani na uongo ni gani.
Nachandia magena chiko kongonta ngoro motoriro na nyorire magena taiyo iwago magena ichoira maraba ichoire osoro tokonye na simba gakia serikali yetu tokonye
kuripoti rigata seni kiao kia gatembe kuruiga ase wodi yabo getenge gotoke meya South Mugirango litira na igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
na homo konyi womo commissioner we county Nyamira kwa Nyamira South Florence Obuga litugolia rero nigabwatarana amo negatia babwatani korwa ase eskuru ye secondary ya Liamandere eyo gotoka imeye wodi ya Busamaro ebunge West Mugirango county Nyamira ase banyaka bakoligia na gukwana chinjira chukonyaka bachiko segeta eskuru eyo kubwatikana na nige eskuru eyo ebwate muboromoke bwaborokigwa ase ebwate aborokigwa emerongo ene boka nigaba boldino eno mujumbe bunge eyo umosike wa Steve Mogaka westokia na kwene kia bunango nyarara kabaga gusira eskuru eyo munago tumanyo mulikito Fatika Disemba
nase eskuru ejeiga ya Liamandere eje gotoka ase wodi ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira ase tamu eje ya erire bono babwate aborokiwa inse ya merongo ene eskuru enkima nigo ibarasa enene yakorwa rero ase eskuru eyo eriokorya chinjira baraye konye.
Tulipofungua shule Januari tulikuwa tuna wanafunzi 14 na as I speak this afternoon mwalimu alituambia wako na watoto sasa karibu 40, but nilipoongea na mwalimu jana aliniambia 61 kwa sababu kuna wengine ambao tayari wameshow interest ya kukuja next term.
Kwa board of management ya Liamandere Secondary ukuje na nia nzuri ya kujenga shule, ukuje na nia nzuri ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba tunapata watoto wengi wale ambao wataingia kwa hii shule. Tuko na watoto wetu wale ambao walisoma kwa hii shule, tunawaomba wakae chini waone vile watasaidia hii shule isimame.
Aiga ni musasiroti omonene bwe kanisa ya Catholic Saint Raphael Nyagemi Father Benedict Omare abakureire abanyakenyoro ba Liamandere gutiga siasa chimbe igoro yeskuru egento kyare maririe kisemi.
Hii community shida yenye iko hapa siasa ndio inaua shule. Sitaki kusema ni siasa inakaa, lakini nimegundua kwamba kuna watu fulani wanakaa mabrokers wa shule. Na watu fulani wanaenda mbele, wanachigamba, wanasuia hata yule mwalimu ambaye ameingia fanya kazi yake. Walimu ambao mnaona huko they are professionals. Ameenda university 4 years. Patia mwalimu nafasi afanye kazi yake.
Eskuru ejeiga igo ebwate abarimu bezerekari 5 na igo abaibori bari babwate abana ase eskuru eria y'ubroso ya Liamandere ase klasi ya kianda basabirwe bonzi kubareta aboroki wabo ase secondary ya Liamandere.
Zazi, si kuna watoto hapo grade 9, kuna form 1, next year kuna form 2. Mbona watoto wasitolewa au hapo wote waletwa hapa? Kuna shule inaitwa Nyakurio. Na watoto huko pia. Wale watoto wakae transfer directly wote wakuje huko. Mimi kama father nitatoa hata mahindi gunia 1, maharagwe gunia 1, ndizi nitakuwa naletea watoto hapa kila siku. Najua hii shule haitalala tukiwa hapa. Mimi nipe nafasi ya spiritual patronage ya shule.
Abaibori bekenyoro ekeiga basabirwe guchakira etamu egocha buna nerebuya kubareta abana.
Watu wetu wa Liamandere watari wote pamoja tuwe tayari kupeleka watoto hapa kwa hii shule. Watoto wangu hawezi toka Njoro waache St. Joseph Secondary School wakuje Liamandere. Kufanya nini?
Injena akaigure kadi no tunga na ukisi school and telest. Igabata ngokiona bielea. Inkinu motako undera ndise ucha kutundera. igobuna twakwana gochakira mambia abana bache tounde skuru yetu nebateki ngiokoiro mwana muongori ne skuru yetu nebateki. Let them come here.
Ensemo yende baburirie abarai abubachorire buna omubunge o West Mugirango Mosque Stephen Mugaka kurigia chinjira eriogokonya eskuru ejeiga.
Mheshimiwa wetu Steve, hii pesa ya CDF vile shule imekaa, kwa sababu last time isikia ya kwamba hawakutoa pesa ya parcel kuja kwa shule kwa sababu watoto wako wachache. Mimi ningemuomba kwa wale ambao wako na wale wengine watakuja, at least atafute njia ya kulipia watoto school fees ndio hao watoto wakuje wasome.
Chingaki ejecho nigo omuinjinia oyiboigore omwana siasa kurwase county ya Nyamira James Kemoni wetrase omuwakilisho ye John Marube achakira okubwatoka obokonyi bwendagira asaborokiwa abo barache gosoma arorogo chakira etamu ya kabere
gantumira iga nanda balengerelinga karokende na karanji program kale gotoka kara abana mbale school lakini asenge njona nyorera mangana ngabana mbaketa se school banji aya na bonko yerwa chibando cha shilingi 1000
so yaberege kubekwa anene ase skuru ejeiga ye secondary ya Ria Mandere ejego toke meye ward ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira buna abanyakenyero banje eskuru ejeiga na kubeka siasa ensemo buna enchira eyemo yogosegeta chisemi hinko reporter gatembe kurwase county ya Nyamira Njefatigad Gisemba
na gukorera mwacho murigarie abantu nigo basemigwe koba maiso chingaki bagutumika ebara gakwana amonero mbya bana boda boda kurwa sorogongo rwa masabano the chingaki bali gochake kyombe gwekonya kimanyikatabuna sako gose sako yegwadi ligoma nigomuteneri bwe lishirika alia amangana yokoligereria obosera nobwene amo nobolendia separa adando anyara kabaga kubuli buna abana inchi nigo bwente kwerenda baraboka abanyane munago tumanya Paul Cup Okara
naso musangerekano yoiga bwokorosie sako hananene yabana boda boda kurwase ewadi yeligoma musangerekano ikiranwa amo nomo regional manager bwekyombe obosera ase chibara kya NTC asireta Adan Ado nyakirugo bwe erumbejiga ya boda boda kurwase rugongora Masaba North Dominic Babu abarai obe sector ya boda boda kurwase nseme chiga omo deputy base commander kurwase rugongorwa Kiroka egati ya barai bande
waibie siri moja mukisave kwa hizo SACCOS unaweza tumia ili wiki hii ukikatia mtu moja insurance next week mwingine hiyo wiki nyingine mtu watatu wa nne at the end of the month or after 2 months each and everyone atakuwa na insurance lazima mtakuwa safe. Yes.
Ukwanekereke igani gabara yawe gabaye kiria suku gorogwe sake jiga gintu batebere kirat kunyara kabage kubakonya kubosiranya stibesa ejo kiraba konya kwegendereria
sawale na tuwa chakire because to form area se group ito ndo ke sako so we want to urge those members bakora to chake with that spirit egara tokonya ke gochimoto ima etenga to atole rangos lakini bwana we have settled them down asoko nyole certificate award
ukwanekereke iga adoni gagendere ko bagakubasemya abananchi kuba maizo chinga kibago tarase chibara na bwigo kubulya bana boda boda kuba maizo na bwigo nabagende bechigali na ne chinga kichige mbule nyinge eyo agendete gotwase orugongo rwagusi.
You know that the schools are closing and also this it's a rainy season and Pasaka is also on the way, so we will be having joint enforcements in liaison with the National Police Service, but nevertheless it will boil down to the individual responsibility. We always talk through many forums and also through the barazas, the chief baraza, the Ngao structure, to ensure that this message gets to the last person for purposes of ensuring that we change our behavior as road users, because just the other day we lost, and many of these accidents are attributing to the issue of drunk driving. And I want to urge the members of the public to take responsibility for their own lives.
Omweli oye nigo boseme bwiga buratukunyara kobo kubakonya abantu bonsi abo baranyara ko babakubwate amachiko yebara nanene asoko bosiranya abo nebyombe ebibira abakonya kwegendereria ase ebinyoro nabo igo namagimabo abanyene
dosiegeti ationde da swa association yitwa jogero se jisako onde bwezi naboko swara kiri ndo abegari jiko bakoko ruveting bagokora vetting ne committee jibegire ji ward wether chirole no nyare ko gende speed eri bachere gera bonega aba chairman babwate jisage je speed bagoja gochierere igoro na ina arama gendo totete asima saba not
Ginko ripoti digitasini kia wanjite kia gatembe kura igasi nseme chiga chie wadi yerigoma imehenye bunge ya heiga ya bagitutu wa masabe kaunti ya Nyamira inchego nguru kwa Polycarp Okara
omwancho mo ligererigo kirabo natokorera ekionga chinsa inye obotuko bwa rero inche nigongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri utogotera na kuranza memanyerio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makori na baikuranza ma transmission nigakoro kwa Kevin Ongeri kuganiriya obotuko buya no boligerio buya abwemero bilionsi ya Gatembe TV ekionga kya mumugusi
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Gatembe, ninjo Dorome, ninjo Mangana Mati, ninjo Bangina ninjo.
Aya nyakenywera bande nkwana gutuna gicuri mwahora buno mumero gonja nyakenywera bande aya ibintu bya bande byugo kuna koria aje byaho tutagitibali ndika bakuriye byaho aya nyakenywera bande nkwana gutuna gicuri mwaho ore buno mumero gonja kara bantu ko baterekira marwa mumena bokorogire sembu yere ngo twero zinga kiekale bona nyakenywera bande nkwana kubeka marumu yomba mwahora nga kiole ora bintu bya bande byuko teberere tai ine nkwana gutwara kelinga tigata intwe twebeke buya no remba nto bacha no ne ikinka chito twaba no bwama to buya twakwanania eliegere ntona kona kogenda obandi lyunga no bandi ayi abandi byuko kuna kuli oba ayotagete ona kogenda kubotambe ayenkwana kogenda bantu bwao aya nyakenywera banda aya yo monginoria nyakeriera banda aya nyakenywera bantu mwakoli nkwana gutuna gicuri mwahora buno momero gonja
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Gatembe, ninjo Dorome, ninjo Mangana Mati, ninjo Bangina ninjo.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green ubutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo okunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukeyega ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed